Hello, everybody. We are once again continuing our programs on entrepreneurship. As I've said before, and I repeat it, the reason we are doing these programs is to encourage young people to think about business because, as you know, because of COVID and because of so many other factors, employment is getting more and more difficult. Today, I present to you a very, very unusual but a fantastic young man who has beaten all the odds and has made a success of his life. He is none other than Mr. Agustin Fernandez of Kepe. So here is this young man who is a movie star. He's a teacher of music. He's a composer of music. He has made his own CDs, and he's a happily married young man with two lovely boys. So, Mr. Agustin, thank you so much for coming for our program. This is CCR TV, which is beamed not only in Goa, not only in India, but all over the world.
Thank you so much.
So, you will become a very, very famous man. All right? Okay, so let's begin straight away with Mr. Agustin Fernandez. You have never acted in a theatre before, have you?
No,
So, how come you started in a movie straight away? You have become a movie star.
actually, I was writing one act play and all.
Ah.
And I was teaching others. So finally, that one day came to me, and then I have to do that.
Okay. He has acted as the main star in this movie, and this movie is called This Book Will Change Your Life. And believe me, it is on YouTube, and you must see it because, in fact, it will definitely help you to change your life. If Agustin can do it, why shouldn't you and me do the same? So, please look at this movie. CCR TV has got the rights from Amey Hegde to show this movie on our channel. So, Mr. Agustin Fernandez, tell me, you have starred in this movie. You've done a very good job. I have seen the movie and I was very, very impressed. Being challenged the way you are, how did you manage to do so well?
To drive a car.
A, to act in the movie, B, to drive in the car. Tell us both.
Okay. So actually, I never did acting role in the anywhere.
Ah.
But when Amay Hegde approached me that he wants to do movie on me, on my life, so then he told me you have to do the role that what is there in your life, what you have done, you have to do yourself only. So
movie.
then I said okay. Then the director approached me that how to go around in the acting.
Yeah.
So according to his
Guidance.
I have done that.
You did a very, very good job there. Now tell me, I saw in the movie that you're actually driving a car.
Yeah.
With all this problem that you have, how did you manage to learn to drive a car?
I had a wish that I will learn the car and I will drive the car, so that many times when I was sitting next to someone else in the car, so I was just looking them how they were driving, and then I got some idea. Then I told my friend to show me how I can manage. Then he showed me so and so the setting. Then I saw, and in 2 days
Learned to drive the
I
car.
learned the
Wow. Another wonderful thing that surprised me is that you are actually an engineer. You did your diploma in engineering from Panjim Polytechnic.
Yes.
Now you stay in Kepe.
Yeah.
How did you manage to go to Panjim every day to study?
In the morning, I was waking up at 5 o'clock. Then I was coming with my tricycle from my village to KPM bus stand. And I was taking almost 20 minutes to reach here. It is almost 4.5 kilometer. So then I was catching bus at Cape bus stand. Then I was getting down Margaon. Then again I was catching bus in the Margaon bus stand, KTC bus stand, and then again I was getting down in the Panjim bus stand. From there again I was catching another bus to go to Altin. So meantime it was very crowded
Yeah.
buses. So in that to manage, it was very difficult for me. People were stamping on me, and in the crowd I cannot move. It was very
Very
difficult time that time. So but like that only I managed and I did my diploma in polytechnic
engineering.
engineering.
Fantastic. Now tell me, in the movie they show that sometimes the bus operator
Yeah.
or conductor would not allow you to come in the bus.
Yeah, because what happened, actually, as per the government rule, I cannot pay the ticket.
Okay.
So that sort, I was not giving them ticket money. So they were what private buses people were doing. They are just pulling me when I was climbing in the bus.
Okay.
So
That's the
yeah,
problem.
yeah.
Okay. Now let's move to a slightly different thing. You became an engineer. What made you change from engineering to become a musician?
Actually, it was my liking to learn the music, to play the music, to sing also. I have done my diploma, but in that I needed money. But because of finance, I couldn't continue that. So I started my music to teach the children.
Okay.
So without any penny, I started, and then till today I am teaching the music. I'm training the children individually
Okay.
by going their house to house.
You actually go to the house to teach them music
Yes,
with all the challenges that you have?
of course.
Amazing, absolutely amazing. Anyway, so this is what I keep telling you viewers. This is the most unusual story in Goa. The most unusual story. Here is a man who is an engineer, who learned music of his own accord, goes to the houses of people to teach them music, and comes back home. I mean, what a drive, what an ambition, what motivation. Fantastic, absolutely fantastic. So let's move on. Now, you also compose your own music.
Yes.
How did you learn that?
I learned when I was listening other songs, then that courage I was getting. So through that I started that I will do the same thing, that I will compose my own song and I will sing for the show and all.
Fantastic, absolutely amazing. And so, how many CDs have you made so far?
I have produced one main CD, that is this Your Baby or My Love. That is with a Bollywood singer also, Sudesh Bhosle and Sadhna Sargam, and many local singers,
Okay,
meaning from Goa.
And now you have been the recipient of many awards.
Yes.
Can you tell us some of the awards that I know you got a big list, but tell us some of the main awards that you really
That one
treasure
is
yourself.
Learner Achiever Award. Second thing, I cannot, I don't know the name now. Two times governor had
The governor of Goa has given you an award.
yeah. Then JCI, that club.
JCI, that's right, yeah.
So, those people have,
Junior Chamber.
yeah. And many I now cannot remember.
Okay, right. Now tell me, you are now also a happily married man with two lovely boys, okay? One is 3.5 and one is 5. Tell me, how did you manage to find this young girl for you?
That is a, that's a God plan.
God's blessing.
Yeah.
So you all are very happily married. That's so nice, yeah. And are these two boys of yours studying music or learning to sing
No,
songs and all that?
they are singing, but I still not started them because they are still young,
Ah,
uh, small.
ah,
So because as per their memory, I have to go through. Otherwise, if I start them,
ah,
then they may feel bored and all. Then
yeah.
after that, in the
They may not like it afterwards. Yeah, that's
yes,
it. Okay, I
so
understand.
that whatever the courage is there inside, that will
Uh,
disappear.
Now, in the movie itself, one of the things that you yourself state that you have a dream, and that dream is to have your own studio, your own music school, your own music hall, etc., etc. Tell us more about that dream.
I had my dream that so I will do one day because I'm just waiting for a finance because one day the finance you cannot manage.
Yeah.
So slowly how I can collect the money and also like that through I will do something. Otherwise directly I cannot do.
Mr. Amey Hegde is your friend.
Yeah.
Does he know that you are looking for finances, and has he approached many, because he is a very influential man in Goa?
Yeah.
Will he approach many people from the Chamber of Commerce, etc., to finance you to fulfill your dream?
I didn't.
He will be watching this. He's going to watch this program
Yeah.
because I know him, and he's asked me specifically to send me this particular interview. So I'm going to request him on your behalf to make sure that he helps you to fulfill your dream to give you a studio. Because he is a very, very influential man.
Yeah, I know.
And I'm sure since he has taken the trouble to produce this film to encourage others, he will also encourage you.
Thank
Oh,
you.
wonderful, okay. So, Agostino, this lockdown must have hurt you very bad.
Yes.
All right. Is there anything special you have done to keep yourself and your family going? What have you done?
I started my something different, that is to sell the tea in the wholesale fish market, Margam.
You mean chai? You
Chai.
sell chai in the
Yes.
market
And the snacks.
and snacks also.
Yeah.
Wow.
For that I am leaving my house at 2:30 in the morning and coming back at 8 or 9 o'clock some back to my house.
2:30 early morning.
Yeah, early morning.
You drive all the way to Margao.
Yes.
You set up a small stall there.
Yes.
You sell the tea and your snacks,
Yes.
and you come home at about 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock.
Wow.
Then after I'm going to teach music.
That's really incredible. How do you get all that energy? Where do you get that energy from?
That is only the by the grace of God.
You believe in God so much.
Yes. Only through the God I can do everything. Without
No? Wonderful, wonderful. That is why God has blessed you so much.
yeah.
Now, the other thing is, I believe you are also participating in some group musical programs.
Yes.
Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
That every year, wherever I'm training the children, I'm bring them together and make a one musical show in Ravindra Bhavan every year. With only the children whom I taught, they are playing and the singers are outside, like a professional singer, like Sonia Sirsat, many other like big singers from.
So you
Goa.
have this program at Ravindra Bhavan once a year,
Once a year, every December.
and it is packed.
Yeah.
Wow, that's wonderful. Is there any other story you are not telling us? That's all right.
Plus, beside that, I am giving a motivational speech also in the school, also colleges, also. Plus, in the company.
You go to companies and schools
Yeah.
and motivate the children.
Children motivate the workers of companies this Sanofi, like big companies are there. Erna.
Wow, you're quite an incredible guy, aren't you? I really compliment you, congratulate
Thank
you,
you.
and I
Thank you so
continue to wish you very, very well. You are something special, and God, as you rightly said, has blessed you. Continue that work and inspire others, because that's what we need today. So,
There is no shame to do anything.
which is a good work.
Yeah.
Wonderful compliments. Uh, you are obviously a great, let us say, an inspiration to all our young people and also the older people. Okay, I want you to tell us or give us a message. I want you to look at that camera and give a message to all our young people in Goa to say, you must never say die. Go ahead, it's all yours. You do it now.
So my message is to all that each and every youth has to go forward to do something their own. Only don't think that I will do, don't dream, but you try it positively. If you think positively, then definitely you can achieve it. You must dream first, then only you can think positive on that, and then you can achieve it. I have done myself, and I am telling all of you all that you also must try. In this world, there is no person that cannot do anything. So anything you can do, only if you try. If you don't try, you cannot do anything. So meaning, if everything is possible if you try, and everything is impossible if you don't try.
There you are. So that's the message for Mr. Agostino, who is a challenged man. As you have seen yourself how challenged he is, when you see this movie, you will further see how he has done such miracles in his life. And it is for you now. If you don't make that effort, if you don't do something special, you will be there forever the same. This Susagat business is over in Goa. There is no time for Susagat. This is the time to work and work hard. And I thank you, Mr. Agustin, for taking the trouble to come here and telling us your life story. And I wish you continued success. And I'm sure one day your dream will be fulfilled.
Thank you so
I
much.
wish you well. God bless.